Hey YouTube, as a follow-up to my previous video where I showed how to enable iCloud messages or messages in iCloud, depending on which one you prefer, on your iPhone or iPad, this video is going to show you how to enable that on your Mac. So just this week, Apple released macOS 10.13.5, which enabled iMessages messages in iCloud. This is going to be a quick video because it's not very difficult to do, but just thought I'd include it since I showed how to do it on your iPhone. If you find your Messages app. Now, obviously yours won't look all blurred out like mine does right now, and mine doesn't normally look that way either, just to protect the conversations I'm having with various folks from being on display on YouTube for all eternity. I've blurred them out. So then you'll go up to the Messages to Preferences, or hit Command and the comma key, and click on Accounts. And over here, again, I have had to blur stuff out just to protect my privacy, I guess. But you just click Enable Messages in iCloud, and that's it. Right now, you can see in the bottom left corner of Messages, it's downloading messages from iCloud, syncing them, I guess. And so hopefully that'll complete here in the next little while. It shouldn't take too long on the iPhone. I think it took about 20 minutes to completely sync. And that's really all you have to do. And actually, it stopped already. You do need to make sure before that works that you're upgraded to version 10.13.5 of macOS on your iMac, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, maybe, if they still run macOS High Sierra. And that's how you can enable messages in iCloud. Leave a comment below if you have questions about that, comments, things you'd like me to cover in the future. And of course, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks to all of you who have been subscribing, following along with my quick little videos. Hope they're helping you out. And I really appreciate all the comments and thumbs up and hearts and whatever else we do here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.